Thursday, February 5th, 2026. God Provides by Bree Stock, New York, USA. Read Psalm 111, 1 through 10. God is able to bless you abundantly, so that in all things at all times, having all that you need, you will abound in every good work. 5 years ago, my life was turned upside down when I became disabled from trauma I endured. At the time, I couldn't imagine how I would survive. But God provided. God brought amazing people into my life and pets to love and hug when tears streamed down my face. God provided me with shelter, food, and financial resources. Through it all, God has been with me, providing opportunities and support, and now rest. Even as I struggle, I try to remember all that God has blessed me with. The blessings may be different than I imagined, but they still reassure me of God's love for me. My Creator knows what I need better than anyone else. Honestly, I believe it took this upheaval to remind me that God is with me and always provides. The change from who I used to be and who I am today still causes me grief. I don't know where I'll be tomorrow or years down the road, but I know God will be there. God has provided for me in the past and continues to do so. Each day I can take a few moments to reflect on the blessings God has sent, and I can trust that God will continue to provide for me and for all God's children. Dear Lord, help us to see the blessings you send us and to show gratitude for your gifts. Amen.